morning about the vitamins that you might be taking with your breakfast this morning. Right now, actually, taking calcium and vitamin D supplements may not help prevent bone fractures, and they could also pose certain risks. ABC's chief medical correspondent, Dr. Jen Ashton, joins us from Boston this morning. Hi there, Dr. Jen.
Hi, guys. How are you?
Okay, so this seems to really contradict everything that's been thrown at us our entire lives. What do you make of this analysis?
So this was a big analysis that appeared in the Journal of the American Medical Association. Actually looked at 33 other studies of adults 50 years of age and older, over 50,000 people who took vitamin D, calcium, compared them to both of those together, both of those separately, no treatment and placebo, and found it did not reduce the risk of fracture. So if there does not appear to be a benefit, we really have to question that this used to be kind of standard, medical health and wellness advice for years.
So you see patients with osteoporosis, which is really what we're talking about, bone fractures, but what do you think is the important takeaway?
Well, I think, listen, when you talk about osteoporosis, which can affect almost every aging adult, male and female, you have to get that calcium and vitamin D from food sources. Those are most important. So leafy greens, dairy, salmon. You should engage in weight-bearing exercise. So what I like to recommend to my patients, if they don't like to hit the gym and hit those barbells, get a weighted vest and just wear that walking around. It really does help. And avoid smoking and excess alcohol. These are important lifestyle and behavioral interventions that can really help your bone health instead of just popping a pill.
Okay, but I do like to pop a pill, and I know a lot of people out there are taking their vitamin D and their calcium supplements. So are there benefits? Should we continue to take these?
Yeah, you know what, for certain groups of people with malabsorption or on the advice of their physician, yes. But again, routine, standard, don't reach for those pills. They don't appear to have a benefit, and they can have certain risks.
All right, Dr. Jen Ashton, we're going to be checking with you for a fascinating blood type diet coming up in just a little bit.
Yeah, but it sounds like the answer is strap on the headphones, listen to Katy Perry, and go hit the treadmill.
Love it.
Well, hey there, GMA fans. Robin Roberts here. Thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Lots of great stuff here. So go on, click the subscribe button right over here to get more of awesome videos and content from GMA every day, anytime. We thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the morning on GMA.